Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Good morning, guys. Uncle Mike 392 out here at Santa Fe Cattle Company this morning, Saturday morning. And we are out here having a good time, man. There's a lot of cars out here. This is my second video, guys. This is my second one. There's a Rubicon coming in. Let's get out the way. Rubicon. Got the spiders on it and everything. All right, let's go down this aisle. We did the outside. Now we're gonna go inside. Yeah. All right, let's go. Let me give you guys a time check out here in Oklahoma City. It is 8:25. Here's a Scat Pack Fever 392. That's my brand, 392, guys. In case you guys didn't know. To all my new viewers, hopefully potential subscribers to my channel, I appreciate it. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. I hear something nasty out here. Check this out, man. Here come the nasty boys. Check this out, man. Got the nasty boys coming in. Mustangs, Sally. Check them Mustangs coming out, y'all. Oh, watch out now. Mustang. See, that's our Hellcat right here. What's going on, brother?
All right.
All right. Look at that Durango Hellcat. SRT. There you go. I'm waiting on my buddy B Houston to get out here. He said he's gonna be out here around about. Well, he should be coming pretty soon because he got a long day ahead. He goes to a lot of different car shows. Good morning, gentlemen. How y'all doing?
Doing great.
Good morning, sir.
How you doing?
Fine, thank you. Got a crowd down there. I'm going to walk around here. But I got to get these cars on here.
You know, or where did they go? We can't tell you that. So, I don't know.
She went right back to sleep. Yeah, I woke up on the couch. Yeah, I like it. Yeah.
I heard something nasty behind me. There's something nasty coming in here. Check this out, man. It's nasty right here. Like that, man. They get my blood flowing, man. I'm 66 years old. I love them nasty sounding cars, man. They get my attention quick. Here's a Chevrolet. Check out the engine on this Chevrolet, man. thumbnail of this one. Beautiful, man. Beautiful thumbnail shot. There you go. All right, let's go to the other side. How you doing, sir? All right. Check this out, man. Sound good. We're trying to find a parking space. We're going to drive around here for a minute. Let's move on up this way so you can check this out, guys. There you go. Man, it's getting warm out here. Last month I had a jacket on. I got this little shirt on, little polo-like shirt. Man, it's getting warm out here. And let me give you a time check. What's going on, brother? That's my brother B right there, guys. He just made it. Brother B is in the building, right, B? I got you. What's going on, brother? You ready for the day? I know, that's what I was telling my people. I was talking about you on the video. This is my brother B right here, guys. That's him. Y'all go to his channel at B Houston. What's up, brother? Good to see you, man.
Chilling.
Yes, sir.
Subscribe to Uncle Mike.
There you go. And subscribe to B Houston. Not brother B Houston, B Houston.
Watch out for this car.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Told you to be more out here.
Oh, yeah, you were right. Yeah, you were right, brother. Where you leaving to go here? You going to the church next? Yeah, that's where I'm going when I leave here. Oh yeah, that's on the other side of town. You see this old Hellcat B? I never seen it. Yeah, right there, that black one. Yeah, I'm gonna go around there and get him. Yeah, I started from this end. I'm working my way around. Yeah, it's tight, man. That's 2024. I talked to the dude, the one with the yellow hat. That's his. He said it costs over 100 grand.
I believe it. It's got a wide body.
Oh yeah. How y'all doing this morning? Good, how you doing? Fine, thank you. You got to see this car, man. See everybody looking at this car? Check this out, man. This is a Hellcat. This is an old school Hellcat. Is this one of the original Hellcats?
Yeah.
Check that out, guys. I don't know if it's original. I don't know. Yeah.
Hey, this gentleman right here.
Ooh, look at this, brother.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, isn't that
Back
great?
when it was
That is.
kind of
We put it on YouTube, brother.
Rebuild.
all that.
You a YouTuber? I'm a YouTuber. We're going to plaster it all over. How many horsepower we talking about?
Did y'all dine on it?
Yeah, I put it a little under 900.
900. That's
To
enough
the
to get.
tire.
That's enough to get to McDonald's.
Yeah.
Can't get past the gas station, but you can get to McDonald's.
Oh, that's the
right.
good part about it. It
don't
gets
do that
plenty of
bad.
good gas.
No, what? If your foot's not bound up in it,
It'll get better than 20.
will it?
Yeah.
If you ain't got
It's
your
got the
foot
8-speed
buried.
automatic in it.
Okay.
Cold AC.
270 gears.
Wow. That is. Thanks for bringing it out, guys.
Yeah, this is nice here, man. I like this. Give me a good thumbnail. See all the people looking at it? All these guys looking at this, man. Oh, yeah.
Setup in there.
What's going on, That's nice.
Everybody's moving the wrong way today.
Yeah, there's a lot going on.
We got
Got it?
72s, Camaros.
I didn't want to
He's
photo bomb you.
got, he's got the shifter in it and everything.
Yeah. May not have enough. I've been taking notice of the GTO. Ooh, the GTO is sweet. Look at that thing, man. Let me slide it down. You can whip it in there. You getting in there. That's nice. Right there.
Looking good. Plenty of room.
Fireball. What's going on, brother? Fireball 700. My man. This is the Fireball. Oh, he gonna get that spot right here. He's gonna get that spot right here. I already tell you where he's going. Fireball 700. Huh?
I said the proof is in the pack.
There you go. Right. Able. That thing is nasty. I know this guy. I see him at all the car shows. SS, baby. There's another SS. Check this SS out, guys. Chevelle SS. What's going on, brother?
How you been?
I'm doing all right, man. I've been waiting on you. I see you showed up.
You usually see me coming this
That's
way.
right. I got you. You know, every time I see you, I'm gonna put you on my channel.
I've seen him.
Oh yeah.
I said you caught us at Remington and all that.
Yeah, I'm gonna catch you. I got you today at Santa Fe, so yeah, you're gonna be on there today too.
Yeah. I just replaced the starter. and
Did you?
everything.
Oh, okay. Okay. Plugs too?
Yeah,
Yeah.
plugs, wires.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, the headers tear them up.
How many horsepower are you pushing on this?
730.
730. Wow. Yeah, every time I see you, I'm gonna get you on my channel, brother. Every time. I appreciate you, man.
Hey,
Let me continue.
you have a good one.
Yes, sir. Thank you, guys.
They're giving away donuts over
Yeah,
there.
right over here. Right over there. Good seeing you guys.
All right, good seeing you.
Yes, sir. All right, guys, let's continue on. I'm gonna do 20 minutes on this one too. I'm gonna do each 20 minutes because I film in 4K and I want to try to get as much content as I can because I film in high resolution. So this for you guys, man. I want you to feel like you're here. That's why I like to interact with the people and ask questions about certain cars, and because I want you guys to feel like you're here with me. I know you're not, a lot of you, but I want you to feel like it. Here's a LT1, man. Check this out. Woo, nice. LT1. Oh, I hear something nasty coming up here. Sound like a Z28. You're gonna come right through here. That's where you're gonna come, right over here. Let me get him coming in. Check that out, guys. Nasty Camaro. Another Camaro. sounds, man. Them sounds get my attention real quick, especially one with them big engines in them. I am quick to change my attention. This is a Nova SS, guys. Beautiful. Check that out, man. Yes. Give me a good thumbnail of this SS Nova. Is that it? I think that's it right there. Got it. There's another GTO. It's my third GTO. What's going on, bro?
How you doing?
All right, thank you, sir. There's a Z28 Camaro right here. Nice. That sound nasty. Nasty. There you go. Right next to this beautiful Lotus. Check out this Lotus, guys. I told you I'm gonna get you on here. This belongs to this gentleman right here. This is his Lotus. Tell him your name, sir.
My name's Buddy Butler.
And tell him about your Lotus. What year is it?
It's a 2024. It's essentially brand new. It's a Mira is the model, and it's got a 3.5 liter V6, 400 horsepower, supercharged. It comes with a 6-speed manual transmission, and it's just a blast to
There you
drive.
go. I appreciate you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, brother. All right. Man, you sound good. I heard you coming up the street, man. You sound good out there.
I appreciate
Yes, sir.
it.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.
How y'all doing? Good morning. Fine, thank you, sir. So we got to get this Lotus on here. This is a 2024 Lotus, guys. So let me get a good thumbnail shot. 2024 Lotus.
I mean, it's about sundown, you swear it's black. Right. Well, looking on that side, it looked like it was black. You come
Look
on
out
here.
that interior. Look at that seats, man. Black, red and black, and then look at that. Lotus back there. It's called a Mira, M-I-R-A, Mira. Mira.
The red interior.
Check this out, guys. First edition.
Yeah, you can get it with red or with kind of a
Look at that.
tobacco
First
tan,
edition.
But
Right.
that sounded a little tame. I like the red.
Oh yeah, the red looks good. Absolutely.
It is a V6. Ain't this nice?
Very nice. That color is awesome.
It's beautiful. Oh, yeah. What color is that? The green?
What's green?
What's this? What's this green? What color is this?
It's called dark verdant green.
Dark verdant green.
That's what the factory calls
That's
it.
what they call. Yes, sir. Let me get that Lotus right there. Get it right.
It's a
There,
factory
there you
color.
go. Where your car at? Y'all got a car there?
Now, the orange calendar.
Oh, there, man. Okay. I probably got you because I already been on that road.
Oh, okay.
I get every car. That's my YouTube channel. You guys want to check it out later?
Okay.
Yeah. First edition, I like that. He said it is a 20, and this is his. The one that got the yellow hat on, this is his, guys. He said it's a 2024. Beautiful. Beautiful. have a shot. There you go. Get another angle. 2024 Lotus Mirror. All right, let's keep it going, guys, shall we? Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I appreciate you. Good morning, sir. How you doing? Look at that thing. There's my buddy over there, B. Houston. B. Houston. That's my buddy. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up on this one. Start my number 3. I'll see you guys on the other side, okay?